Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a 2019 Toyota Rav4. You're going to locate it on the passenger side behind the glove box. So we're going to open the glove box just like this, and then we're going to undo the dampener on the right side. So here's the dampener right here, and we're just going to pinch the pin here, release it, and that'll let us undo the rest of the glove box. Push in on the sides, get it over the hump, and then inside you're going to find the housing for the air filter. You're going to pinch the sides here just like this. You'll pinch and then release. This will come out like that. There's slots over here, so you pull away this way. Then you can reach in, pull out the filter housing. So here you have the filter in its case. All you got to do is peel back right here, undo the locking tab, and then this slides right on out. Now this is a K&N filter, so what I'm going to do is actually clean this out, do the wash, and then install it after it's dried. Part number for the Toyota cabin air filter is 87139-0R031. Now, instructions for installing this is just as long as you have this facing up. So this is the up side, underneath is the down side. So we're going to have it with the arrows up, slide it on in, and we're just going to push this in till it goes over the little locking tabs, slide it on down. Just fit it back into place. Now when installing the filter case, you need to be mindful of this small little triangle here. This is going to be towards the front, and the rest of this slides on in. So if you actually turn this around and try to install that first, it won't let you. It's going to get stuck. So you just put it towards you, and then you're going to be able to slide all the way in through. And now the cover here also has the up arrow, so make sure this is up. And we're going to slide in on the two locking tabs over here. And then moving over to the right side, we're just going to clip it in. And you're all done. So now you just got to put this cover back on, put the clips in, make sure it locks into place, and install the dampener right here back into its clip, just like that. So if you found value from the video, consider subscribing to the channel and check out my other videos on the Toyota Rav4, and I'll see you in the next one.